There we go. There we go. There we go. Running this way. Running this way. Running that way. Running that way. Oh, here he comes. Come on. I don't know if you can see it. The guy down there has a remote control plane, and it's a water plane. Look at that. Oh, he just crashed into a house. It's all over. That's the way it goes with hobbies, you know. It was fun while it lasted. He did one barrel roll, and then he crashed into the house. There he is. Look how beautiful he is. Absolutely gorgeous, these things. There's another one. Oh, look. Missed strike. Missed the fish. Missed the fish. At least there's shade over here. Let's see what happens. Well, while we wait, let's see if we can fix our chair. Okay. There we go. There's one chair fixed. Oh no. Look at that bait ball. You see it? You see that bait ball? Look at that. Unbelievable. There he is. Come on. There we go. Got a little flob. Oh, it's a mudcat. It's a mudcat. Wow. That was fun. Oh, something's biting me on the rear end. We got ourselves a little fishy. Oh. Yeah. You got to be careful with these because he will fin you, and it hurts. Yeah, it hurts a lot. Let's get him back in the water. Oh. All right, buddy. There he goes. All right. And we managed not to fin ourselves. All right. Decided to stand over here for a little bit. The sun is brutal. Get out of the sun for a little while. Shit. Now the old man doesn't have to get sunburned anymore. Whoa. Come on, buddy. Shoo. Ah. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a mud cat again. Yeah. Well, he's better than nothing. Man, look at the scars on him. My God. Something big tried to get him. Look at that. Oh. Well. We're still happy. Oh, easy, easy. Easy, easy. Easy does it. Easy does it. Alright. There you go. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Pop. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How's it going so far?
Oh, so far so good. You know, just playing around.
Yeah? You see it? I don't know if you can see how it's moving. See, I'll take it out. Take it out. I'll swim with it. This is a catfish bite. When they're not very active, they behave like this sometimes. Watch it turn out to be a black bass. Now look, now he's coming back this way. Just swimming with it. He's just swimming with it. Alright, what we got this time? Oh! You made a liar out of me, buddy. Yep. You made a liar out of me. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Running this way. Running this way. Running that way. Running that way. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes a-calling. Oh boy. Look at there. Finally showed his head. It only took 5 hours. Well, good to see you, buddy. The old channel cat. All right. Oh, he doesn't want to be caught just yet. He doesn't want to be caught just yet. Easy, easy. Easy does it. There we go. There we go. Hey, bud. Come on. We'll get you back. We'll get you back in the water. Let's get, oh, he's biting. Look at him bite those. You see that? Look at him. He says, I ain't giving up. He has not given up yet. Let me in there, bud. Let me in there. Come on. Let me in there. I'm gonna help you out. You're not gonna like it, but I'm gonna help you out. Stop biting. Stop biting. Okay. All right. He's angry with me. He's upset. Oh, he's upset with me. There he is. There he is. He's going back. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right. That's good fun. That's what we came here for. That's what we came here for. Well, we did what we came here to do. I guess we can go home now.
Good, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All of it?
Yes, sir.